Hey, hi guys, welcome back. Welcome to my YouTube channel, TechTiger-Academy. I'm Ravi Malhotra, your instructor for this entire series, Learn Cybersecurity with Ravi Malhotra. This one is going to be exclusively only on Radware ADC AppDirector 1008 product. Okay. Radware ADC stands for, Application Delivery Controller. It's a kind of load balancer devices, and we have reached lecture number three. We just finished two lectures on this product, and this lecture is going to focus only on the product details. What features are available, right? What does it mean by ADC? What does it mean by App Director and all that? So, all right, guys. So let us start now. So let me start with the prerequisites section first of all, right? Uh, Guys, before you continue to my course and you really want to enjoy the learning of App Director, I would expect all of you to have knowledge on, these basic protocols, understanding of OSI layers, understanding of load balancing, what load balancing algorithms are there, what does it mean by round robin, what does it mean by ratio, what does it mean by least weightage and all that, what is the meaning of persistency, session, what does it mean by cookies, encryption, decryption, compression, caching. Other concepts are, key negotiation. I would expect all of you to have some basic idea about all these terms. That's very important, guys. It is really going to help you. Basically, you will enjoy. Um, Previous lectures on Radware AppDirector. So we have done lecture number one and lecture number two. Uh, these are my other trainings on my YouTube channel. That's my channel name, TechTiger-Academy. I have a whole series on Checkpoint NGX R80.40 CCSA. That's the latest version. I also have a series on FortiGate Firewall version 6.4.3, guys. You can subscribe to my channel. A lot of other videos on F5 technologies are also in production. I'm going to upload them soon, so you can really start learning with me, and you can enjoy the beauty of cybersecurity. Let me move now. This is product details. So App Director by Radware is an application delivery controller. Okay. So being an application delivery controller, it provides up to layer 4 to layer 7 local and global application delivery and acceleration also across web applications and database server farms. So what does it provide? It provides basically delivery and acceleration. Okay. It provides delivery. Acceleration, in other words, I can say that performance factor. Okay. App Director ensures application uptime. This is called high availability, global redundancy, and user experience optimization performance. Okay. App Director provides full availability, high performance, and complete security for mission critical applications. Radware ADC, Application Delivery Controller, is responsible to provide availability, performance, and security. That's a pack. Okay. All these three things are expected from any application. I want you to think of a user and just think of an application that you use. Make an example that you want to use Amazon Prime Video, right? What do you expect out of it? Is that it has to be available whenever you want to watch a movie. It has to provide contents at the same speeds, right? So that there should be no lag. Does not matter even if you're trying to access it from the slowest link. You're trying to access it from anywhere in the world, it should be accessible to you. And then your credentials should be saved over there, right? So that nobody else should be able to hijack over your credentials and take advantages of these contents and all that. So this is what we actually expect from ADC, right? And this is what we get in return if we do investment into Radware ADC. App Director 1008 product details. Radware App Director is an on-demand switch. It's a load balancing device. Application delivery controller is a load balancer in a sense. The App Director on-demand switch comes in VL series and VL-XL series. Is an innovative network load balancer providing the greatest performance. Okay, it comes into VL series and it comes into VL-XL series. The on-demand switch, which is VL-VLXL, either VL or I'll say or VLXL, offers revolutionary performance at all throughput levels to satisfy the most advanced business critical networking demands. Uh, the 1008 suitable for mid-range enterprise data centers, and it can provide up to throughput of 1 Gbps up to 4 Gbps. Okay, depends on the different models. We will talk about the different models which are available, 108, 208, 508, 1008, 2008, and all that. So, and this is also responsible to provide you SSL acceleration. That means, SSL offloading and all that. It provides you that, and it provides you compression and caching. Okay, these three form factors provide you performance as a result. Okay, remember that compression, caching, and SSL acceleration are also expected out of any ADC. Okay, so this is again another third slide for the product details only. So App Director is intended for organizations that conduct their businesses using. So this slide says that why do you need ADC, right? Why would you do an investment in Radware ADC? The reason being here is that an app director is intended for organizations that conduct their businesses using networked applications, maybe over internet, or maybe even if the users are connected using a private intranet, or even if there's a site-to-site connectivity between two offices, right? So this is how, if you want to optimize, if you want to secure, if you want to accelerate the user experience, it does not matter what medium they connect to, you would actually need to invest into ADC. App Director relies on successful combination of a powerful hardware platform. They actually come into chassis and an application smart service. It's a module, right? It's a kind of soft module to achieve a high level of availability, performance, and security. It's a pack. An app director is based on Radware's intelligent application switching architecture. Okay, that's very important, which provides high-speed hardware processing power along with absolute operating system application smart service. This is application smart service is a module, right? Which provides so many advantages. I'm going to discuss on that as well. Okay. App Director 1008. This is again now in this slide, right? We'll talk about the different modules available in App Director. One of the module is actually called Application Smart Service. Another module is Advanced Health Monitoring module. Another module is Traffic Redirection module. And then we have Bandwidth Management. And then we have the Advanced Security module, right? All these modules are available in an app director, and all these modules work together to provide you security, to provide you high availability, to provide you acceleration, and to provide you availability of content. Okay. Let us talk about one of the modules, right? Let us talk about the App Director 1008 Health Monitoring module. You all know about health monitoring. You all know about tools available in markets. Nagios is there. SolarWinds is there, right? WhatsApp Gold is there. IBM tools are there. So all these tools are basically health monitoring devices. Similarly to that, an app directory is also a health monitoring device as well. It has a module which is responsible to record, which is responsible to check the pulses, the health, the connectivity of the complete transaction till the backend server. So health monitoring module ensures the availability of all network elements required for the completion of a successful transaction, including routers and backend servers and applications. Okay. Over this module, you can create any type of layer 2 through layer 7 health check, and it provides wide variety of predefined health checks as well. Okay. We will have a separate session uh, in depth on the health monitoring module where we'll discuss each and every layer 2 to layer 7 health checks available. Okay, this is something very important, right? Most of the time you have seen that ping is a health check because you try to check, are you alive? Ping, are you alive? Are you alive? But but sometimes, right, you just do not want to just check the health of a server. You also want to check the health of a URL as well. Is URL responding exactly the same way as it is expected? So in that case, you really do not need the ping, right? You actually need a layer 7 health check so that you get in return from the URL the exactly same thing as you expect your users, as you expect your end users to see from the URL, right? That's very interesting. That's we will explore in more details in our next videos. Another module that we discussed is that that works along with the hardware acceleration service is a smart service module. The Radware's application smart service is among one of the modules that provide these capabilities. It provides health monitoring, it provides load balancing, fault management, and traffic shaping. Traffic shaping is known as bandwidth management. Fault management is redundancy. Load balancing is called as dispatching, right? And this is health monitoring. Now it supports two acceleration schemes. The most important topic in this whole series is an acceleration schemes, right? The two acceleration schemes available in Radware AppDirector 1008. One is called an enhanced acceleration, and another is called as a standard acceleration. Okay, we'll discuss about them as well in more details. Another module is actually called a traffic redirection module. The traffic redirection module is responsible to move the traffic ahead towards the backend server. Traffic redirection module provides layer 4 to layer 7 switching capabilities. Okay, it works closely with the advanced health monitoring module. Let me tell you the reason why. Because before you really forward the traffic to the real backend server, you really need to keep looking at the health of the server. If the server is healthy, then only you would like to deliver the content to the server. Okay, you would like to deliver the client request to the server. If the server you identified, you did the health check, is not healthy, you would not like to give him the client request, because otherwise, it is just going to say error, page not found to the user. So the traffic redirection module provides layer 4, layer 7 switching capabilities. It works closely with advanced health monitoring module. If any backend server is not healthy, it will not be given any content to deliver. Okay. Upon failure of in-transit network element, router, switch, resource path, it allows the traffic to bypass any faulty element And this traffic redirection module also uses global traffic redirection solution as well. Okay. This is something very important, global traffic redirection. Okay, this is something we'll explore. Now, this traffic redirection module performs server selection in a form. Let me try to create a hypothetical example for you. The website is, let's say, that TechTiger-Academy.in, right? TechTiger-Academy.in. These are 4 servers in the backend. This is my app director, and this is my user. This is internet, right? Okay. Now you have application as one URL, but then it has 4 servers, right? This pack of 4 server is actually called server farm. Okay. So app director uses various dispatch algorithms based on the traffic load of the servers and availability server resources to select a specific. In one example, you can assume that all the 4 servers have equal amount of CPU, have equal amount of hard disk, equal amount of CPU and RAM, right? In that case, you would like to go with the round robin, with the ratio. You may come across a scenario where some of your servers are very powerful than others, right? Then in that case, you do not want to go with the round robin. You would like to set a specific ratio, or maybe some other load balancing algorithm, such as least weightage, least connection and all that, dynamic ratio, something like that. So this traffic redirection module, it also performs server selection in a form that which server is healthy, which server should I send the traffic, which server should I send the next packet to process. This is something done by the traffic redirection module. It also defines server persistency. This is very important. All sessions with the same predefined characteristics are forwarded to the same server. Now let me explain you the example here. Let's say that you want to buy a course on the TechTiger-Academy.in. You opened a website and you browsed through the courses, and assume that your traffic is by the app director is landed on server number 3. Okay. Now your entire session till you check out, the moment you do the payment, you do the checkout, everything, your all sessions from yourself, from your user only, will only terminate on the server 3. Okay. Rest all connections coming from all different servers will be served respecting the load balancing algorithms, right? But the persistency says that if a one user is connected to a server, right, that user should stay connected to that server only till the session expires. Okay. So all sessions with the same predefined characteristics, this is very important, all sessions with the same predefined characteristics are forwarded to the same server. Okay. Now let's move now. App director 1008, another rule it is called is like global traffic redirection. Okay. So global traffic redirection, app director global provides global and local internet traffic management services. It provides global as well as local. What does it mean by global? Global in a sense that, let's say that the website, which is TechTiger-Academy.in, I would like my people, let's say that people around the world are trying to access this website. Okay. If this website is hosted in India, right, what will happen is that the people connecting from Europe, they may face a lag, just because. So in that case, right, you would like to provide the global traffic redirection so that the traffic from a specific regions, from a specific location should be forwarded to the application server as in most nearest distance, okay, so that there is a there is a less lag and there is a less delay. So global traffic redirection, it redirects the user to the best available site before a server is selected within the local site. App Director Global performs a load balancing for distributed sites, sites which are distributed as in different regions, different locations, and all that. Radware AppDirector is an intelligent application delivery controller for data centers that provides scalability and application level security for IT infrastructure optimization, fault tolerance, and redundancy. AppDirector combines the power of Radware's multi-gigabit application switching hardware with absolute operating system and application smart networking to ensure that local and global server availability is there, accelerated application performance is there, safeguard applications with IPS is there, and denial of service protection for fast, reliable, secure applications. So it actually provides you complete security for your DDoS. Either it is layer 4 DDoS attack, it is layer 7 DDoS attack, it is even if it is volumetric, right, unmetered DDoS, you get protection in the Radware. You get protection against all the known as well as unknown attacks through the IPS module. And then of course you get acceleration as well by using different algorithms such as load balancing and persistency and all that. So all right, this is the VL as well as VL XL series. Okay, the VL hyphen and VL hyphen XL on demand switches, they provide high performance application delivery. Okay, they are the appliances to provide high availability. They can provide on demand throughput scalability, on demand service scalability. They come with the 6 Ethernet ports, copper, and 2 fiber ports. And they also have RJ45 serial connection as well for serial connectivity, and they also have a USB interface for software installation and recovery. This is how it looks like. Okay, it's rack mounted. This is the technical specification for VL-XL series. If I say throughput, okay, so different models available in App Director is 208 is there, 508, 1008, 2008, 4008. Okay. 208 provides 200 Mbps of throughput, and this is VL series, and this is VL-XL series. 508, it provides 500 Mbps throughput, and VL-XL, it also provides 500 Mbps throughput. 1008, it provides 1 gigabit of throughput. It also provides 1 gigabit of throughput. 2008 2 Gbps, 4008 4 Gbps, 4 Gbps. Here is a difference between VL series and VL-XL series between SSL CPS. What is SSL CPS? CPS stands for connections per second. Okay, SSL connections per second. Connections per. So the on-demand switch VL, okay, with the provides up to 500 connections per second, scalable up to 500 CPS. And on-demand VLXL provide up to from 5,000 connections per second up to 10,000 connections per second. Compression capabilities, it provides from 100 Mbps to 1 Gbps compression throughput capability, and the VL-XL series provide up to 500 Mbps up to 1 Gbps compression capabilities. DDoS flood attack prevention rate up to 100,000 packets per second. That's a huge rate. Okay. Routing protocols, it supports OSPF RIP version 2 plus static routing as well. And either of these, either VL or VL XL, they come with 8 GB of RAM. Okay. So this was for VL-XL series of on-demand switches. Okay, let us move to the next one. The next series is that on-demand switch 3 as well as 3XL series. They're very high performance appliances. They provide up to 20 Gbps of throughput. They provide on-demand throughput scalability, on-demand service scalability. Okay, they come with four 10 gigabit fiber ports plus 4 gigabit fiber ports, and then 8. They have a two redundant management ports providing out of band and highly reliable management interface if you want to connect your device out of band in case you lose the LAN connectivity, so then you can connect. It has an LCD, it has a USB interface, and then it also has a dual redundant power supply as well. So these are very high optimized appliances. Of course, they will cost you more, but then um, you know they they justify their specification because they provide a massive amount of throughput, and they provide a massive amount of DDoS protection rate. Up to 100,000. Let us discuss the throughput capability. The models into 3x series comes as in 8016, 12,016, 16,016, and 20,016. Um, the minimum throughput that they provide is 8 Gbps, and the maximum throughput that they can provide is up to 20 Gbps. Um, SSL connections per second in a 3 series, it is from 500 connections per second to 7,000 connections per second, and in 3XL series, this is 10,000 connections per second to 36,000 connections per second. Compression from 100 Mbps to 1.5 Gbps compression throughput. Here from 1 Gbps to 3.5 Gbps throughput. DDoS flood protection is that's a huge number of packets per second protection under the DDoS, and it provides you protection for the routing protocols OSPF RIP version 2, plus the static routing as well. And it provides a memory of up to 32 GB. Right. So that's all, guys. That's all about the on-demand switch 3 and 3x series. In the last one, we discussed VL-XL series. I believe that's all. So that was the last slide of lecture number 3. Thank you so much, guys. This was all about the product details only. We only discussed about the different features and different modules available in the product. I want to I want to request you guys, so just please subscribe to my channel. I'm just running short of subscribers. And so just stay healthy, guys. I wish you good luck for your learning. Please stay connected and stay safe. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.